Dewey say, if you didn't want to come a foreign, why you never pay Queenie? People pay for their marriage, you know. So you never did have to use the woman. You could have come and come get a job and pay her back all her money. So you know who or nothing. You're scavenger, brother. Leeches. You want big leech. Near more girl. You see, pre. And of them could think they know when we see Queenie, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for blood clot Queenie in a small way. In a way, but me want your dirty blood in a Queenie. You want like a big up, you get a Canada, you run out from blood. Connect like drunk crow. You fly down on the wall away. Leave me alone. This is me. This is my own decision. Don't decide if you come tell we nothing again. Don't come back to we again. Go back to God. Go baptize. Baptize, girl. Eh? It's my husband. No. Nobody else now no husband. Move your bumbo clot and go, Queenie. Look how we want beat Dewey for you. We want them for you. And you come back with it about my husband. You want somebody take care of that part for Dewey. It two need one clot up together, bro. You fucking bumbo clot. Viewers apologize, you know. You nothing branch. But I leave, you gone right back in I gutter, you look bad. Like when that Queenie just meet you. Because you don't know how to angle success, boy. The woman make you succeed and make you sit down in a house like bitch. All day while she work and I give her money. And I buy everything when you want. Big work list, stringy boy. I string you for name. Because you don't hype man go like Julie. And then you're stringy. Commoners, your old blood mango. That me talk about with you. And the woman take you off, brush you off. You was a diamond in the rough. The woman brush you off, clean you off. And you smell your thinking self. Come on the far from your door, do it. Hello, bitch. I swear to you, that woman deal with you so bumbuckler good. Me cuss Queenie. I want Queenie. I want Queenie run you long. You know long me tell Queenie run you. Move you up out of your place. Make you go what your woman do? Cuss me. And look what you do her now. And if you catch you as a population and beat the Jamaican population fi catch you and beat you for Queenie. Cause you there come push up your little blood class spaghetti looking bumbo clad self boy. Come for the key though. You see me with the key. Hey boy, my Queenie that did for me blood class sister. I want you. What do you drop a key? Drop a key, boy. Drop a key. Yeah, you want to look at hungry blood clot compare friend them. Cause you not buy one little idiot buckler compare and you want to Queenie money and can go drink you out down there with the little blood clot hungry bad man them. Twist stripe bad man them. You see Queenie tap up to you. He's a boy. Drop a key, like a boy. Bad man of a page and puff your chest. Make you know, hey boy, drop it blood clot key. And we back say till you piss yourself out, ya boy. Eh? I chew Queenie have a brother if you come conking in your feet. Tell you straight, my general. You look like Queenie son them a fool. Queenie, are you the gangster in your family? Are you the hunger gangster? Where your son them there? Cannot deal with my mother, sir. Mel Joe a long time face. From the day you come in at my house, me use a buckle, a blood clot beer and bust your out. Rum in your mouth. You see, pre. You could have never talked to me, mama, so you can me be little suckud boy. Me I tell you straight. You understand me? I don't care what Queenie choose. But at this point, me feel like say, look how you deal with Queenie, with a beat you. We are issue a beat for your spaghetti strap. You hear your spaghetti strap? You see when we catch you and wind up your little bumbo class spaghetti strap, sir, and that's a puff your chest. You use the woman and pray on her emotions, tell how much in lies. No matter how we did a scrape through you, and I tell your woman, say, I saw you stay. She did a try for sleep. Same way, because she likes sleep. It look like dream, 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 dream. She does a dream. She couldn't wake. You look like your hobby a queenie. Me and you say queenie, I look like a she have. No, you have gathering. Queenie come from Upper St. Thomas and don't even have a guard purse. But you have gathering. You walk up here. Me never see Queenie with nothing for bumbucklat up here yet. Never in my life. But you have gathering when the whole round the claim to say, what you guard doing? You do it? What you guard? Tell me. What you have for guard? Hey, father? You broke. You don't have nothing. What you guard? What you need gathering for? For near mouth Queenie. You need gathering for near mouth Queenie. You don't have nothing for gathering because it's nothing. You don't need nothing at all, friend. The only thing you need that cup of back. Yes. You want somebody chew to kick in your stink. But yard. Only if Queenie did not walk up here, you in the England, you in the blood clot Canada right now. You the underneath her pussy drinking water like you normally do. You don't need underneath her lick out her crack like you normally do. If she did not walk up here. When St. Thomas girl tie you, I write a ankle then tie you, my friend. If Queenie didn't do any kind of tying or do any kind of voodoo towards you, my friend, you could have never near out Samantha could have never poop in your face right now. As much as you do up there, I lick out Samantha in your face. You could have never up there that you done there England and near mouth for Queenie. As a that pussy in your face near mouth, you know. You see me, I say? What Samantha do you? More than give careless man an opportunity if you come to Canada and near mouth some more. When they are blood clot Canada, you in there England? So yes, you there. I let you do what you feel like. I let you have sex with the women and right there. So what you doing? You're too fool. Big old dot. The way you take up yourself, gonna pay for man for. Thank you, sister. Why you gone? Gonna pay for man. Why you a bring girl coming in your marriage for your little boyfriend? It's delusional. You fool. You broke this year all church mouse here one way and then you want to come go on. Then you come talk about your husband. Don't come have nothing with your bum buckler and bring it come here. We don't want to hear it. Keep it in our palace. And when you not keep on one another malice, then when you not come here so with it. Oh, big up the queen and the wish she stand up and lay down, you know. Boy, it was two junker deserve no one a black nether. You don't deserve no one another. It was no. You don't need no one a that girl. You is nothing without Dewey and Dewey is nothing without you. Whitney and Bobby in your ear, you know, brother. Without your coke, you know. Sometimes I'm not sure about that part they need. Whitney and Bobby. Bobby and Whitney. Christian and Blueface. Eh? Two workless individual. Boss lady got suck. You're not a boss lady, you're a last lady, because you not even have a diamond in your name with your suck. Say you suck good for nothing, big pussy. You know, me I tell you, you not do it. I just say you're going to